Hello folks, welcome to Multistack. In today's video, we are going to learn how to disable the right-click functionality on your website using a simple HTML and JavaScript click. I will explain why you might want to do this, show you the code and discuss some pros and cons. Let's get started. Why disable right-click? Content protection. One reason to disable right-click is to protect your content from being copied. For example, if you have original image or text, disabling right-click can deter casual user from copying them. User experience. Another reason might be to enhance your experience by preventing unwanted actions such as accidentally opening the context menu. Let's create HTML page and try to apply right click disable. So first I have to create a page. I have to write here index.html. Page has been created. I will write here HTML. HTML has been created. I will write here in title disable right click, and I will write here in h1 tag try to apply disable right click. I'm going to press the right click. Here right click is enabled. I can check the inspect element and I can check each and everything: inspector, console, debugger, network, style editor. Let me add the JavaScript to prevent the right click. I'm going to write a script inside the header tag. Script. I will write here some JavaScript code. Document.addEventListener. Context menu. Then I will add here a function. Inside the function, I will write here event.preventDefault. Okay, let's try to refresh this page. So page is being refreshed. So now I'm clicking right click. Right click is disabled. I have tried multiple times. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe.